Arestado ang 6 na suspect sa pagkawala ng ilang sabungero sa Maynila noong Enero. Ngayong Biyernes ay nasa kustudiya na sila ng Philippine National Police sa Krame. Bunga ito ng 2 buwang surveillance hanggang tuluyang masakote ang mga ito sa Parañaque City. Kasalukuyan ng inihahanda ang mga kaso laban sa mga ito habang patuloy pa ring isinasagawa ang malalim pang investigasyon sa iba pang sangkot sa nasabing kidnapping.
As a background there, almost 2 months ago, this project had been talagang upon the assumption of our regional chief, CIDG 4A, it had become his passion also to solve the problems on this, yung mga missing sabungeros. And for almost 2 months na surveillance and other efforts, coordinations, nagbunga. And today, at around 1:45 p.m., CIDG Region 4A arrested in Parañaque City 6 suspects in the kidnapping and serious illegal detention of 6 cockfighting aficionados who were reported missing on January 13, 2022 in Manila Cockpit Arena by virtue of warrant of arrest issued by RTC Branch 40 Manila with no bail recommended. These are Julie A. Patidongan, Acadondon Mark Carlo, E. Zabala, Virgilio P. Bayog, Roberto G. Matiliano Jr., John Ray R. Consolacion, and Glir Codilla. Aside from the 6 suspects, 2 companions of suspect Patidongan, identified as Melchor Neri E. Dagsan and Victorino Jocosol E. Eneran, were also arrested for obstruction of justice. It can be recalled that on January 14, 2022, families of the victims personally appeared before the CIDG to lodge a complaint against the security personnel of Manila Cockpit Arena for their alleged involvement in the kidnapping of 6 cockfighting aficionados, namely James Bakay, Marlon Bakay, Rondel Cristorum, Mark Joseph Velasco, John Claude Benson Idonog, and Roel Gomez. This incident went viral after the families of the victims appeared in public and exposed that there are sabungeros and others who are missing since April 2021. Upon learning this incident, the CIDG created a special investigation task group, Sabungero, on January 24, 2022, to focus on these reported missing sabungeros, and based on their investigation, there are at least 34 missing sabungeros as of this date. On March 18, 2022, 6 counts of kidnapping and serious illegal detention were under Article 267 of the Revised Penal Code were filed against the suspects before the Department of Justice. A separate case for kidnapping and serious illegal detention were also filed by CIDG in relation to the case of missing master agent of Online Sabong Ricardo Lasco, who was reportedly abducted on August 30, 2021 in San Pablo, Laguna.
Almost 2 months, our Director General Karamat directed the shifting to high gear our manhunt operations by directing the creation of dedicated tracker teams. Pag sinabing dedicated, yun lang po talaga ang focus. So, based on the time-tested formula na profiling sa intelligence parlance, no? We went back to our records until such time na nagkaroon kami ng tracers on these suspects, no, kung saan sila. So we cannot divulge our methodologies until such time. The last 3 days we conducted or we executed a 24-hour surveillance intelligence operation. Kaya natunto namin yung location nila, no? on Parañaque City in 2 separate places. Based on our assessment, safe house po ito nila, and based on our previous intelligence activities, they've been transferring from different places. Kaya it is a very challenging activity. That's why nagkaroon kami ng break. You're able to have a establish talaga kung saan sila just 3 days ago, no? Kaya natunto namin. So a lot of confirmatory activities ang ginagawa namin. Our activity for today or the past almost 2 months is purely for manhunt operation, for them to be taken into custody sa batas para harapin nila yung kaso. We are not yet on that phase as to the motive dun sa mga previous incidents, and that will be subject for further investigation ng SITG sa Bungero. Continuing pa rin naman.
Meron hong reward na 1 milyon kada ulo, itong 6 na ito. Kanino mapupunta ito, Chief PNP, sir?
Well, usually because police officers are not allowed to receive rewards, and this goes to the action agent, to the informants who are instrumental to their arrest. And also, with this, what do you call that, rewards, I hope it will serve also as convince others to really support the PNP in these manhunt operations, so the other wanted persons.
Meron po kaming ginamit na informante po dito because in the conduct of research pertaining to this case, we need available information. So kung tutusin, marami po talaga nagbigay sa amin ng information, but we have to sanitize saan dito yung pinaka-feasible at saka yung malapit sa katotohanan.
Well, I hope that with the arrest of these suspects, those who were reportedly nag-back out as a witness may be convinced or reconsider the position. And I do believe that the case is still strong. We have enough evidence also that will continue with the case even with these witnesses na nag-back out.
They're currently undergoing a booking procedure at the headquarters CIDG. Then later on, they will be brought back to the regional office ng CIDG sa 4A in Calamba. Then by next week, we will be returning the warrant to the issuing court para ma-inform yung korte that they are already taken into custody para mapag-umpisa na yung trial phase ng kaso.
Ako si Luan Peñano para sa Eye of the Nation ng iNews Pasig.